Recipe Aguachile is the one for you. You can place all of your ingredients in your blender and then pour it over your shrimp, or you can mix it in your mortar. Regardless, it's going to be delicious. Let's go over the ingredients. The portions that I'm using feed about 2 people. I'm using a pound of fresh raw shrimp, 1 cucumber, 1 garlic clove, salt to your liking, a few peppercorns, and your favorite tostadas. You will need some fresh cilantro, about 4 to 5 limes, 1 whole red onion, 1 Chile Serrano, and if you want this spicier, this is optional. I'm using some Chile Tepin pods. Just be careful because they are very spicy. I buy my shrimp peeled and deveined. The only thing that I'm going to do is remove the tail and cut it in half. I will be blending everything in my mortar. Don't worry if you don't have one, just toss everything into a blender and it will still come out really delicious. Start off by blending your garlic clove and add a bit of salt. And blend this into a paste. Once you have your paste, add your peppercorns. Your chili. Make everything into a paste. Make sure that it's well incorporated. Add your cilantro and only use the leaves and blend everything together. And add your 4 limes. This is what will cook your shrimp. Now mix everything together. This is the point where you will taste this and determine if you want to add a little bit more of salt, if you want this to be spicier. Make sure you try this before adding your shrimp. Now add your shrimp and mix. This is the amount of liquid that you're looking for, enough to evenly cook your shrimp, but not too much where it's completely covering them. While my shrimp is cooking, I am going to cut my cucumber in half and remove the seeds, scoop them out. Completely. Now cut your cucumber. You're not looking for very thin slices because you're still trying to get that crunch. my cucumber. And the reason I don't add my cucumber initially is because I don't want my cucumber to get mushy. I want it to have a crunchy texture when I serve it. And your onion. And mix. Let's prepare a tostada. I will first add a little bit of mayonnaise. This is optional. And your aguachile. And you can also add a little bit of the juice.